Tired of seeing your Ethereum transfer fees eat into your crypto profits? Today, we'll show you how to securely transfer your Ethereum to your Ledger hardware wallet without breaking the bank. First, make sure your Ledger device is set up and updated with the latest firmware through Ledger Live. Next, install the Ethereum app on your Ledger via Ledger Live's manager. This allows your Ledger to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Now, instead of sending directly from the Ethereum mainnet, consider using an exchange with lower withdrawal fees. Exchanges like Kraken or Gemini often have more competitive rates. Another great option is using layer-to-scaling solutions like Arbitrum or Optimism. These networks offer significantly cheaper transactions. Use a bridge to transfer your ETH from the mainnet to your chosen layer 2. Once you've chosen your method, copy your Ethereum address from Ledger Live. Double-check, triple-check a euro, ensure it's correct. Paste your Ledger Ethereum address into the withdrawal or transfer field on the exchange or layer 2 platform. Always send a small test transaction first to confirm everything works correctly. Finally, your Ledger will prompt you to verify the transaction details on its screen. Carefully review the amount and address before approving. This is a crucial security step. Congratulations! Your Ethereum is now securely stored on your Ledger. By using these tips, you can significantly reduce those pesky transfer fees and enjoy peace of mind knowing your crypto is safe. Remember, security is paramount when managing your digital assets.